Automation is not just about making things easy. It's about an oath that we have to protect. Baka nakakalimutan mo, as accountants, we promised integrity, accuracy, and service to the public. Pero kung lagi kang stuck sa encoding, chasing receipts, fixing errors, paano ka magiging guardian of trust kung puro clerical work ang kumakain sa oras mo? Once you shift to accounting automation, everything synced, reports in real time, doon mo marirealize kung sino ka ba talaga as a professional in the first place. Instead of double-checking Excel formulas at 11 p.m., you are giving advice that actually help the business grow. From bookkeeper mode, magiging true professional ka of integrity and insight. Kaya accountants, please keep this in mind. Accounting automation is not just a tool. It's our way of living up to the oath that we have. Kasi the oath was never about typing faster. It was about protecting trust, serving truth, and being relevant. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.